you've done the swearing. And I have heard you carefully. I was listening carefully. And you said that you are going to serve the people of Kenya and you have been appointed to the cabinet of Kenya. That equally means that though we have dockets that have been assigned to each one of you, I didn't hear anybody say they swear to be a cabinet secretary for a ministry. You said you will be a cabinet secretary of Kenya. That means that you should be as concerned in what happens in the next ministry as you are in your own ministry. And that underpins the principle of collective responsibility. I do not expect any one of you to say things are not going right in the next ministry. It is your business. If things are not going right in the next ministry, it is your business to look for your colleague, sit them down, and things must go right in your ministry and in the next ministry. Because the principle of collective responsibility is a principle that is understood and is a principle that has been practiced. And therefore, that will be my minimum expectation, that we will serve the people of Kenya equally, and we will make sure that everything goes right in the docket that you have and in the government of Kenya, because that is your forte.